To turn on margin in Webull, start by logging into your Webull account on the mobile app or website. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account settings or profile section. This is usually represented by an icon with your profile picture or initials. In the account settings, look for the option that says Account or Portfolio and click on it. From the Account menu, select the option that says Margin or Margin Trading. If you do not see this option, it may be located under a subsection such as Trading or Account Management. When you select the Margin option, you will be taken to a page that explains what margin trading is and the risks associated with it. Margin trading allows you to borrow money from Webull to purchase securities. But it also increases your potential losses if the market moves against you. To enable margin trading, you will need to agree to the terms and conditions of the margin agreement. This agreement outlines the rules and regulations of margin trading on Webull, including the interest rates and fees associated with borrowing money. Once you have agreed to the margin agreement, you will need to deposit or have sufficient funds in your account to meet the minimum margin requirements. The minimum margin requirements vary depending on the type of securities you want to trade and the amount of money you want to borrow. After you have met the minimum margin requirements, you can start trading on margin. To do this, navigate to the trading section of the app or website and select the security you want to trade. When you place an order, you will have the option to use margin or cash. Select the margin option to use borrowed money to purchase the security. It is essential to keep in mind that margin trading involves risks, and you should only use it if you understand the risks and have a solid trading strategy. It is also important to monitor your account balance and margin levels to avoid margin calls or liquidation of your positions. In summary, to turn on margin in Webull, log into your account, navigate to the account settings, select the margin option, agree to the margin agreement, meet the minimum margin requirements, and start trading on margin. Always use margin trading responsibly and within your means.